This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fried chicken with chili and dried shrimps. I have here 400 grams of chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast if you like. Cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Once you have them cut up, marinate your chicken pieces with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. Set this aside for 20 to 30 minutes while you prepare the other ingredients. Next, for the aromatics. I have here 40 grams of dried shrimps, another 4 to 5 pieces of dried chillies. You can also use fresh chillies instead. Here are also 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Now it may sound a lot, but it really isn't. Smash them up to remove the skin. Also cut up 1 medium onion. And 1 stalk of spring onions. Separate the white and green parts of the spring onions. And for the green parts, cut them up into about 3 inches in length. Now, to stir fry the dish. In a pan over medium heat, add in about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add in the aromatics. That's the dried shrimps, the chilies, the garlic, the onions, and the white part of the spring onions. Fry this till they are fragrant and the garlic turns a little brown. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. When the aromatics are fragrant, add in the chicken. Stir fry this chicken till it turns white. Then, pour in 120 ml of water. Cover and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes till the sauce is relatively dry and has thickened a little. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Then turn off the heat. Add in the green parts of the spring onions. Mix this well. And serve. This is stir-fried chicken with chilies and dried shrimps.